Hello Year 3s, this is our Monday work, and this time we'll be looking at comparing numbers, but we'll still be practicing rounding. So let's see what the worksheet is saying. It says choose numbers and round them to the nearest 10 and 100. Remember that we round up from halfway, so for example 25 is 30 to the nearest 10. And 750 is 800 to the nearest 100. Write 5 numbers for each example. The first one has been done for you. But before we go down here, let's remind each other on how we're using the 100 square to find the numbers to the nearest. So they're saying we use halfway. So for example, they said 25. What are the numbers that are near to 30? So we have got 25 going this way. All these numbers, they are nearest to 30. At the same time, we have 34 going down. All these numbers, they're nearest to 30. That's why they're saying halfway. So all these numbers and these numbers, they are all numbers that are nearing to 30. Right, now let's look at our first example, which says numbers that round to 50 to the nearest 10. So for them to find these numbers, this is what they did as well. We're going to go on our number line and check where there's 50. This is where our 50 is, but we've got numbers from 45, 46 up to here. All these numbers, they're near to 50. And again, the other halfway is 54, 53, going downwards. All these numbers are nearest to 50. So according to what the paper is asking us, they're saying we should choose any other numbers, either these ones that are near to 50. That's why on our worksheet, they have given us 47. They just picked numbers randomly. 47, 49, to show that these numbers, they are all near to 50. Now let's go to the next one, which says numbers that round to 500 to the nearest 100. Now think of the clue. So I'm going to use the number line to help us find the numbers to the nearest 100. So they are saying 500. So numbers that are near to 500, they start from 450. So here is our 450, and in between we have 460, 470, 480 until we reached 500. So all the numbers that are in between from 450, they are the numbers that are near to 500. So that's what they are asking us to do. Now, we also have another one, number 2, which says numbers that round to 360 to the nearest 10. So these ones, they are numbers in hundreds and tens, but they're only looking at numbers to the nearest 10. It's so easy. Just make your number line again. Remember to start from 350 for you to have 360 in between and see the numbers that are closer to 360. So in this case, we have 350 as a number that is near to 360 in tens. And then we have got 370, 380. All these numbers, they are in the group of tens and they are near to 360. It's very easy, and I hope you're going to enjoy if you use the concept of number line. Then you're going to look down there. We have numbers that round to 700 to the nearest 100. You're going to use the above method. You're going to start from, since they're saying 700, that means you're going to start from 650 for you to get to 700. The numbers that are going to be in between, they are the numbers that are rounded to the nearest 100, that are rounded to 700 but to the nearest 100. And work on the rest of the work. Write the numbers that are found in the numbers to the nearest 10 or 100, and I hope you're going to enjoy the rest of the work. Thank you.